define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, good morning, children. Good morning. Yes, yes. Very good morning, children. Okay, ready for the breathing exercise? Are you all ready? Yes. So, shall we start? Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Very good. Ready for the yoga? Yes, kids yoga. All of you put your hands straight up. Yes, straight up. And then bend your body to your right. Yes, bend it to your right. And then come back to position. And then bend it to your left. Come back to position. Yes, Dikshan, come on, do it. Everyone should do, children. Yes, again bend it to your right. Come back to position. Again, bend it to your left. You should not take off your hands, children. You have to keep your hands like this itself. Should not put it down. Okay, up, Siddharth. Siddharth, put your hands straight up. Yes, up. Yes. How will you worship God like this, right? At your home? So up like this. Yeah. Now to your right. Then to your position. To your left. Back to position. And another exercise. Lie down on your bed and lift your body up. Yes, you know that, right? You all know that. Yes, first lie down and then you have to lift your body up. Yes, come on. Yes, do it, do it, do it. Very good, Ashni, very good. Dev Krish, very good. Yes, very good, Dev Krish. Nitek, very good, Nitek. Karthikeyan, good. Good, Siddharth, good. Danvin Sai, good. Vivan, Mama is also doing along with you. Very good, Vivan. Vishank, are you doing, Vishank? Yes, Vishank. Are you doing? No, you are playing. Yes, you have to do the yoga, right? Yeah, good. Very good, children. Now, okay, come back, all of you. Come back to position. Hey, stand up, all of you. No one should sit down. We didn't finish our warm-up activity, right? All of you stand up. Stand up. Now jump for 10 times, all of you. Jump, jump, jump. Jump for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, jump for 10 times. Very good. Clap your hands. Jogging. Jogging. Yes, all of you jog, jog. Jogging. Skipping. How will you do skipping? Skipping. Yes. Skipping. And then, how will you play tennis, children? How will you play tennis? Yes. Badminton, how will you play? Like this. Like this. Yes. How will you play cricket? Cricket, how will you play? Cricket, how will you play? You hold the bat down like this and you strike the ball like this, right? How will you play cricket, children? All of you do. Come on, I want all of you to do the action. Yes, you're holding the bat and then you're striking the ball like this. Sixer, right? Okay, very good, children. Now, what shall we do? Volleyball? Will you play volleyball? Yes. Have to hold your hands like this. And then you hit the ball like this, right? And then basketball. How will you play basketball, children? You hold the ball like this and you'll throw it in the basket. You will jump and throw it in the basket. Okay? Very good, children. Now all of you go inside, drink one glass of water and come back. Yes, come on fast, children. Yes, ready all of you? Ready for the attendance? Yes. Dhanvin. Dhanvin.
I am. My name is Anita. I am Unity.
Hmm. My name is
I am in
Dhanvin. I'm studying in junior KG.
I am in Unity.
Very good, Dhanvin. Devkrish. Devkrish.
English. I
Yeah.
am in Unity.
Very good, Devkrish. Dikshan. Yes, Dikshan.
I am
Dikshan.
Unity.
Yes, Dikshan. I can't hear you,
I
Dikshan.
am
Okay. Next
I
is
am
Karnal.
Unity.
Okay, very good. Karnal. Karnal is
Good
absent, I think.
morning.
Hashni.
Hello, my name is Roshni.
My name is Osmi. I am studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Hashni. Janavi. Janavi.
I'm a Junior KG. I'm a KG girl. I'm a 4 years old.
What is your name?
Jan.
You didn't tell that, right? Okay, Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan.
Ma'am. My name is Karthik. 4 years old.
Yes, Kartikeyan. What happened? Kartikeyan. Come on, tell me, Kartikeyan.
Lama. My
Yeah.
name is Karthikeyan.
Sweetie.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani. Kavyani.
Here I am, Manila ma'am. My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Kavyani. Nitek. Nitek.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Naitik. I am studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Nitek. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Here I am, ma'am. My name is Nukshita. I'm studying in Junior KG.
Yes, Nukshita. Little bit back, Nukshita. Your face is not visible. Yeah, now I can see you. Nice. Okay, very good. Pranita. Pranita. I think Pranita has gone. Okay, Rohita. Rohita.
Right now, right. Chip.
Rohita.
My name is.
My name is Sandal Forex from Junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Satvika. Satvika.
ಹೇಳು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೂಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡು ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ
Come on, tell me, Satvika. My name is Satvika.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಹೇಳು
My name is Sandal. Junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. So fast. Very good. Siddharth.
My
Siddharth.
name is standing on Junior KG. Good morning.
Yes, Siddharth. You are studying in?
Standing in Junior KG.
Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am in Junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Tilakar.
Hi,
Yes, very good, Tilakar. Vishank. Vishank.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Zaidi, mute yourself, Zaidi. I'll come to you, Zaidi, now.
My name is Kishan.
Yes, Vishank.
Correspondent கூப்பிடுறாங்க சொல்லு my name is
Tell me,
Kishan.
Vishank. My name is Vishank. Today we need to do the coloring activity, right? If you say the name only, we'll do it. Otherwise, no activity today. Want to color the flower, right? Yes or no? Yes, right? Tell me your name. My name is Rishna.
Sound சொல்லு.
Studying
My
in
name is Zang. And then studying in Punachari.
okay. Vivan. Vivan.
Everyone, I am going to UKG.
Very good, Vivan. Ready?
UKG.
Ready? Is ready? Ready? Come on. Unmute and tell me. Yes, ready?
I am Polly.
Very good. Very good. Very good, ready. Ritvik. Ritvik.
சொல்லுடா.
I am sitting in UKG.
Very good, Ritik. Wonderful, Ritik. Today you are telling it correctly. Very good boy. Okay, children, attendance session is over. Calendar. Are you ready with your calendar? Yes, take your calendar, everyone. Who is going to tell me the date today? Siddharth, what is the date today? Today's date is... Yes, Siddharth, what is the date today?
21.
2/1/21. You should say like that, Siddharth. Okay. Today's date is
21.
21. And what is the day? Straight up, if you go here, you can see what is the day today. Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Okay, children, start coloring. 2/1/21 date. Start coloring.
Month July.
Tuesday. Month is July.
Month is July.
Who said that month is July? Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Very good. Finished coloring. If you have finished, just lift it up and show it to ma'am. That's all. See, ma'am finished coloring. 2/1/21. And the day is Tuesday. Month is July. You can see here, month is July. Finished, everyone? Yeah, very good, Tarnika. Very good. Rohita, good. Siddharth, good. Very good. Hashni, good. Vivan, finished. Kavyani, finished. Ritvik, finished. Dikshan, good. Ratika, finished. Janavi, good. Janavi, 2/1/21 fully. You colored Janavi. Okay, Jan. Satvika, finished. Okay, keep your calendar aside. Okay, children, keep your calendar aside. Our next activity is rhymes. Okay, next session is rhyme session. Okay, children, ready for the rhymes? Yes, all of you keep your calendar aside. Yes, ma'am is going to sing the rhyme and I'll call you one by one to identify the alphabet also. Okay, are you ready for that? Yes? Okay. First, who is going to say? Tarnika. Tarnika. Have to say yes, ma'am. Okay. What alphabet is this, Tarnika? What alphabet is this? A. What is the sound? Phonic sound. Phonic sound. And so mayam. And so mayam. They are causing me alarm. Okay. And then next. Devkrish. Devkrish. You have to say yes, ma'am. Okay. When I call your names, children, first you have to say yes, ma'am. Okay. Devkrish, what alphabet is this?
Bingo button. Bingo
Bring
button.
your ball. What is the word? What is the alphabet? P. Okay. What is the alphabet?
Bingo
P.
button.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Sound is B.
Bingo ball.
Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Okay. And then Siddharth. Siddharth. No, no, Siddharth. Next.
What is this? What is
We are clicking castanets. Ka, ka, ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka, ka, ka. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ka, ka, ka. Very good, Siddharth. Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan. Yes. Come on, next. What is this rhyme? Yes. You don't know? See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Very good, very good. Rohita, Rohita, are you there, Rohita? Yes, Rohita. What is this?
Loudly.
Sing the rhyme, Rohita.
Loudly.
Rohita, see here. Sing the rhyme.
Fingers చెప్పు.
No, not daddy finger. Alphabet rhyme. Yes. Rhyme.
Stand up తల్లి.
Yes, who is going to sing? Zeddy? Can you sing, Zeddy? Yes, Zeddy. Yes, come on, sing, Zeddy. What is this?
మేడం
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Very good. Vivan. Vivan. To say yes, ma'am. Vivan, I can't hear you, right? Vivan, what is this? Sing the rhyme.
What is this? Sing the rhyme.
What is the alphabet first? What alphabet will come?
Hey, what alphabet is this now?
F. Yes, alphabet F. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. With water hole, the air came out.
Hey, Sundara.
Sound, children. Like this you have to do. All of you do like this. I have to see. I want to see all of you doing. Do like that.
Hey, stop.
Do the action also. And the sound should come from your mouth. Yes? Very good, children. Okay. Next is, shall we sing the family rhyme? Daddy finger rhyme? All of you are ready? Have to sing in your places, okay, children? But don't unmute. Okay? Here I am. How do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Come on, children, sing in your places. Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Yes. Circle rhyme. Who is going to sing the circle rhyme? Who wants to sing? Raise your hand. Circle rhyme. Who will sing? Yes, Tarnika. Can you sing the circle rhyme? Tarnika? Can you draw a big circle? Shall we sing, children? Can you draw a big circle around the Can you draw a big circle that goes as round as moon? Can you draw a small circle, a round circle? Can you draw a small circle that goes as round as ring? Very good, children. Okay, our rhyme session is over. Now, ma'am is going to show you alphabets, okay? I'll call you one by one and you have to identify children. Okay, children? Dhanvin, what alphabet is this?
Capital.
Yes, Dhanvin, what alphabet is this, ma?
சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Say loudly.
அப்புறம் அது பக்கத்துல
Yes, Dhanvin, what alphabet is this?
கேபிட்டல் ஏ ஸ்மால் ஏ சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Capital A, small a. Okay. Next, Devkrish. What alphabet is this, Devkrish? Very good, Devkrish. Dikshan, what alphabet is this? Very good, Dikshan. Hashni, what alphabet is this, Hashni?
நீ சொல்லு கேபிட்டல்.
Oh my God, what happened to Hashni? Okay, I'll come back, Hashni. Don't cry. You're a good girl, right?
சொல்லுடா.
Please mute Hashni. We'll come back. Okay, next is Janavi. What alphabet is this? Janavi. Very good, Janavi. Kartikeyan. What alphabet is this, Kartikeyan? Huh? Capital E, small e. Okay. Next is Kavyani. Kavyani, what alphabet is this? Yes, Kavyani. What alphabet is this? Capital F. Capital F, small f. Okay. Ready? What alphabet is this? Ready? Ready? Can you hear me, Ready? Yeah. Capital G, small g. Very good, Zeddy. Nitik. What alphabet is this, Nitik? What H? Capital H. Capital H. Small h. Okay. Next is Nukshita. Nukshita. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what alphabet is this, Nukshita? Capital I. Small I. Okay. Next is what alphabet is this, Hashni?
சொல்லு. கேபிட்டல்
J. How you should say, Hashni? Very good, Hashni. Good girl, Hashni. High five, Hashni. High five. Very good, Hashni. You should not cry, okay? Next is Pranita. Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Very good. Rohita.
చెప్పు.
Very good, Rohita. Satvika. Satvika. Satvika Sri. What alphabet is this? Satvika. Come on, tell me, Satvika. What alphabet is this? Capital M, small m. What is this? Capital M, small m. Okay? Next is Siddharth.
சொல்லு.
Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Tilakar. Tell me, Tilakar, what alphabet is this? Very good, Tilakar. Vishank. What alphabet is this, Vishank?
Capital Q. Small q.
Vishank. Vivan.
Or small or.
Very good, Vivan. Ritvik. 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 Come on, Ritvik. Tell me what is this? Ritvik. Ritvik is not there. Okay, Hashni, what letter is this?
Yes. Capital and small yes.
Very good. Pranita, what letter is this? Unmute and tell me, Pranita.
Yes, Anita. Capital T, small.
T. Very good, Pranita.
अरे मैं मातावन ना ये तो असला तो
Ritvik, now you have come. Tell me what alphabet is this? Ritvik. Ritvik, tell me, ma, what alphabet is this? Unmute and tell me.
W, small U.
Not you, Pranita. I am asking Ritvik. Okay, Pranita, mute yourself. Next is Vishank. What alphabet is this? What alphabet is this, Vishank? Vishank. V for Vishank. Capital V. Small V. Yes. Siddharth. Siddharth, what alphabet is this?
Capital W, small W.
Very good, Siddharth. Zadi, what is this? What alphabet is this, Zadi? Zadi? Zadi is not here. Nukshita, what alphabet is this, Nukshita? Tell me, Nukshita. X, capital X, small x. Okay? Nitek? Nitek?
Y.
V. Is that V, Nitek?
Y.
Y, capital Y, small y. Okay. Rohita?
Capital Y.
Rohita?
Achabom. Capital. Achapu.
Capital what?
Jad.
Z.
Small Z.
Small.
Okay, very good, children. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. We are going to do our alphabet activity. Okay? Take the activity sheet, children. Take the activity sheet. Now we are going to write the missing alphabet. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes. Those who are ready, thumbs up. Thumbs up, those who are ready. Yeah, very good, very good. Shall we start? Yes. First is A. A after B. Have to write.
எழுது எழுது இதுக்குள்ள எழுது இந்த சக்கருக்குள்ள எழுது டி
C. C is already given, so no need to write. C after D. Write D. D after E. Shall we write E? E. A, B, C, D, E, F. Next is G. Next, how will you find out? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Have to write H. Parents, don't teach them. Let them write on their own. Please don't guide them. H, I, J. Next is K. Okay? L. Next is M. K. L. M. N. O. P. Next is Q. R. Next is S. S after T. S. T. U. V. Next is W. X. Y. Z. X. Y. Z. Finished all of you? His mom is going to come back. Yeah, finished everyone.
Vanilla ma'am, see vanilla ma'am.
Yeah, all of you lift it up and show it to ma'am. That's all. Those who finished. Yes, Tarnika, good. Tarnika, very good. Next, who finished?
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Who, ma? Kavyani, you or Hashni? Who finished?
Finished.
Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Very nice. Next, who
Ma'am,
finished?
Danny finished. Ma'am, Danny finished.
Pranita. Pranita finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Pranita. Good.
Ma'am, Danny finished.
Yeah, very good, Danven. Nice, Danven. Next, who finished?
Please.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Satvika. Satvika finished. Very good, Satvika. Good girl. Next, who finished? Kartikeyan. Very good, Kartikeyan. Next. Who finished next?
Siddharth.
Siddharth.
Sir. Single ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth. Siddharth, you
Ma'am.
finished. Very good, Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Hashni.
Yes, sir.
Very
Single
good,
ma'am.
Hashni. Good, good. Very nice. Okay, I think all of you finished. Okay, you want to drink water, children? Now come on. Go drink water and come. One more time. Go and drink water and come back. Is all of you ready? Ready, children? Okay, next we are going to see numbers. Okay, before that, I want all of you to
Ma'am.
jump for 10 times and then we are going to start our math activity. Okay, all of you stand up and jump for 10 times. Jump like a kangaroo, kangaroo jump. How kangaroo will jump, children? Put your hands front like this and jump. Kangaroo jump.
Vanilla ma'am.
Like this. 10 times you have to count and jump.
Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah. That's ready. Tell me, ready.
Ma'am.
Finish, ready.
Rohita also finished.
Very good, Zaidi. Rohita. Yes, very good, Zaidi.
Vanilla ma'am.
Rohita, very good, Rohita.
Vanilla
Okay,
ma'am.
finish your kangaroo jump. Kangaroo jump, all of you finished.
Okay,
Those who
ma'am.
finished, can sit down. Those who finished jumping for 10 times, count and jump, children. Count and jump. 10 times you have to count and jump. And take your next activity sheet, max activity sheet, flower sheet. We are going to join the dots and then color it, okay? Don't start. Ma'am is going to present now. This sheet, children. Are you ready with the sheet? Can you see number 1, children? Can you see number 1? This here. From 1 you have to start. 1, next join 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes? All the 16 numbers you have to join and then you have to color. Okay? Join and color. Join the dots one by one and color. Tilakar. Do. Pranita, join the dots and color. Come on. Take your favorite color and color. Color the flower and then color the leaves with green. Okay? Yes, Dikshan, finish. Very good, Dikshan. Start coloring neatly inside the boundary. Color it, Dikshan. Don't color it outside the boundary. Color it inside the boundary. Yes, those who finish, show me your sheet.
Pranita.
Yes, ma. Pranita, you finished?
Pranita, ma'am.
Yes, Pranita. Very good, Pranita.
Oh, I finished, ma'am.
Okay, did you color the leaves, Pranita? Did you color the leaves? Color it with green color, okay? Okay, very good. Slowly color, children. Slowly color it inside the boundary. Yes, Naitik, color. Vivan.
Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes.
Finished.
Kavyarni, you didn't color, Kavyarni. Color the flower first. Color the flower.
Yes, Vanilla, ma'am. Yes, Vanilla, ma'am.
Okay, color. Vivan, finish coloring, Vivan. Is Vivan finished coloring?
He doesn't want to color, madam.
Oh my God, color Vivan. Very nice, Vivan. Start coloring. Good boy, Vivan.
சரி ஓகே கலர் பண்ணுங்க பரவாயில்ல
Okay, color as you wish. Color as you wish, okay? Whatever color you want to give, you can give. Okay? Don't cry. Choose your colors and color. Come on. Choose and color. Very good, Dhanvin. I think we have finished.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Dhanvin. Show it to me. Very nice, Dhanvin. Lift it up. Little bit, lift it up and show me. Yes, very nice, Dhanvin. Good boy. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay, next Satvika also finished, I think. Satvika, show me your sheet.
Sure.
I think you finished.
Show to my. साथ नहीं लगा साथ पर कितना डालूं
Slowly color, children. Yes, very nice, Satvika. Beautiful. Your flower is very beautiful. Very nice. Next, who finish?
Vanilla ma'am, finish vanilla ma'am.
Yes, Kavyani. Yes, nice, Kavyani. Very nice. Good. Very nice. Leaves. Color the leaves with green color.
Pink
Color the
color,
leaves.
okay.
Green color.
Green color. Ma'am, Pranita, finish.
Pranita finish. Very nice, Pranita. Good, Pranita. Next is Dikshan. Very nice, Dikshan. Wonderful, Dikshan.
Vanilla ma'am, vanilla ma'am, I finish.
Yeah, Tarnika. Very nice,
Finish
Tarnika.
vanilla ma'am.
Beautiful, Tarnika. Very
Last
nice.
vanilla ma'am.
Next, who finished? Hashni. Hashni finish.
Vanilla ma'am, vanilla ma'am.
Siddharth. Very nice, Siddharth. Beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you. Vanilla ma'am.
Yes, Kartikeyan. Hashni. Very nice, Hashni. Kartikeyan. Beautiful, Kartikeyan. Yellow color flower. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next,
Ma'am, I did.
Nitek. Very nice, Nitek. Show me. Beautiful, Nitek. Very nice, Nitek. Children, you all are coloring beautifully. Very nice. Daddy.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, nice, Daddy. Good.
Ma'am, don't finish,
Very
ma'am.
good, Daddy. Janavi.
Don't finish,
Very nice,
ma'am.
Janavi.
Ma'am.
Very beautiful,
Thank
Janavi.
you, ma'am.
Next, who finish? Ritvik. Vivek.
Color Venna. Color Venna.
Very
Vanilla
nice,
ma'am,
Devkresh.
finish vanilla ma'am.
Yes, beautiful, Devkresh. Very nice.
Look, color.
Very nice. Kavyarni, very nice. Beautiful Kavyarni. Good girl, Kavyarni.
This is
Okay,
soda.
color and give your children 2 stars in their hand for coloring beautifully. Give stars for them in their hand.
This is soda.
Yes, Rohita.
Vanilla ma'am.
Yes, very nice, Rohita. Get 2 stars from your mama, Rohita. Very nice.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Children, all of you get stars from your mama. Tarnika, get stars from your mama. Everyone go and get your star, okay? That is your gift because you all have drawn very neatly and you have colored very neatly, children. So it's very nice. Vishank, I didn't see your.
Anita ma'am.
Show me.
I did it, ma'am.
Show me. Very nice, Vishant. Very beautiful, Vishant. Get smiley from your daddy. Come on. Get 2 smiley. Ritvik, did you finish, Ritvik? Ritvik, did you finish? Nukshita. Where is yours, Nukshita? Nukshita. Coloring Nukshita. Very nice. Okay, color Nukshita. Color and send it in WhatsApp. Okay, Nukshita. Slowly you color. No need to hurry up. Yes, Tilakar. Finish. Show me, Tilakar. I can't. Yes, very nice, Tilakar. Tilakar. Very good. Get 2 stars from your mummy. Yes, Dikshan, 2 stars. All of you show me your stars. Got the stars, right? Show me your stars, everyone. Show me your hand like this. Yes, very good children. Very good, very good, very good. All of you, very good children. Thanks for your cooperation today. Very good. Pranita, I saw. Very good, Pranita. Okay, children, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, children.
Bye.